Hello and welcome to a set of videos that accompany the MultiSim Project 1 for audio electronics. This assignment is going to introduce you to a program called MultiSim, and MultiSim is a virtual circuit simulator, often called SPICE simulators. Virtual circuit simulators allow users to quickly experiment with circuit designs and virtually build them, test component values, and build results. I really like MultiSim. It's powerful, it's easy, it's free, it's web-based, Mac PC compatible, and works really well. In this particular assignment, we're going to build virtually what we built in class, or what we will build in class, which is a simple guitar distortion pedal, battery-powered guitar pedal circuit with some diode clipping on it. So it's pretty cool. This first video, I'm just going to talk about how to get started on MultiSim. Of course, follow the real written instructions. They're far more detailed. The video kind of is designed to help you go along with these written instructions. Be sure to follow them carefully and follow the rubric at the end to make sure you get maximum points. First thing you do is to go to www.multisim.com and create your own virtual account. I've already done that. It's the normal process. Sign in, check with your email, confirm, that sort of stuff. But I've created an account. Once you do that, you can create a circuit. And I'm creating a blank, I don't know what they call this, but it's a workspace to me, a blank piece of graph paper. I'm going to follow the instructions here carefully. What you're going to do is add some components. These are palettes over there. We can grab what you want. You can grab a resistor and drag it over here. There are some useful key commands. For example, if I wanted to add another resistor, I could click R and stick another one in there. So some of these components have single letter key commands, which is nice. Once you grab a component like this, you can click on it. You can rotate it. You're certainly going to need to do that. You can flip them on end, which is kind of cool. You can duplicate them and make multiple of the same, and you can use the X key to delete. Most of the parameters let you edit their names or edit their values. So in this case, this 1 kilo ohm resistor, I could type in a different value like 470. Now we have a 470 ohm resistor. I could change its value with the slider, and I could also go up or down in order of magnitude, which is kind of cool. And you'll probably do all that along the way. So please experiment with this. Get used to the process of using it. You're going to want to be able to zoom in, zoom out. You can do this up here. The program is very intuitive. It responds to my trackball. I believe it responds to macros. That's as well. So it's pretty smart, pretty easy to use. You can drag things around. That's easy. If you have multiple things, let me add another resistor, and you can, at least on the Mac, control drag to select to marquee multiple items, which is cool. I could delete them all at once right now. And so there's some other tools here. Control drag, shift clicking lets you select multiple things. I do recommend you check out this link, the help / gestures link on MultiSim. This gives some very useful Mac touch gestures and various gestures and keyboard commands. So I recommend you experiment with that. You can get a lot faster really quickly. Okay, so how to name your file. You can name your file in two ways. One, you can name it up here just by adding it. This particular assignment, you're going to call it multisim1.yourname. So put your name in there, whatever you want to call it. Just know that your name is going to be visible on the internet because free accounts, other people can see your circuit. So if you don't want to see your name first and last on the internet, perhaps you want to use your rock star name, fake name, awesome anonymous name, and just make sure I know so I know what I'm creating. When you want to save your file, and we'll do this in the later videos, but you can always go up here and you've got new file, save as, and all that. This is the second place you can name your file. This is where the public or private comes in. And of course you can name it, and when you make some changes, you can save up here as well. Okay, excellent. Have a great day. Enjoy the rest of the videos. This project won't take you long, and it's pretty cool.